Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
From 1st May, Government of India will be giving only 50% of the quota for us. I mean only for 45 plus and above. 45 plus and above, that will continue with the quota which the Government of India is going to supply to us. Rest of the beneficiaries will get from the state. Now the state has already placed the order for 5 lakhs of doses to cover up less than 45, 18 to 45. But as per the information that we got from Serum Institute, they are not in position to supply at present because they have to do a lot of commitments for Government of India. So they will fulfill the commitments of Government of India and then they will supply to us. So that may take some time. That is the information that is given by Serum Institute, and our senior colleagues, our authorities, higher authorities, they are in constant touch with Serum Institute to give us as early as possible these doses so that we can take up 18 to 45 as well.